Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see, what are we going to do today? We will learn about the capital D and the small d and its sound D. We will also learn the words that begin with D, and we will learn the correct formation of D. So let's begin the class. This is the capital D. This is the small d and its sound is D. Now listen carefully and repeat the sound and the words after me. D dog, D door, D drum, D deer, D duck. Now let's see how we can write D.
D. Round a doggy, follow its tail all the way up, then down with a flick. D. Dog. D. Round the doggy, then follow its tail all the way up, then back down with a flick. D. Dinosaur. D. Round a doggy, then all the way up and back down with a flick. D for drum. D. Round, then all the way up nice and tall, and then back down with a little flick. D.
You need to practice writing D as many times as you can on the green board. You can also make red and black lines with a tape or a permanent marker on your green board. Start from the second line, go round, touch the third line, then go up to the first line and then come down to the third line and make a curve. This is your day 5 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. In the hollow letter, start from the starting point and follow the arrows. You need to write D as many times as you can with different pencil colors on page 7, and you need to trace, write and color D on page 8. This is your day 6 task. This task should be done in your notebook. On the first page, in the hollow letter, start from the starting point and follow the arrows. You need to practice D as many times as you can with different pencil colors. And you need to color in D drum. Or you can make any other picture that begin with the sound of D. And on the second page, you need to write D as many times as you can with pencil. Let's see what have we learned today. We have learned the capital D and the small d and its sound D. We have also learned the words that begin with D, like D door, D dog, D dinosaur, D drum, and D duck. Well done. We have also learned how to write D.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, I know.